getting into the goddamn fucking tree. Jesus Christ. Oh shit. Damn. Yeah, I figured. Oh damn, this motherfucker's pulling. I ain't even got my damn net. It's a good bass, good little bass. Oh, yeah. So that's bass number one. Just fucking ticks and shit. It's my Pornhub subscription. Needs a renewal. Damn. Oh yeah. Tight my damn drag. I ain't got him hooked. God dang it. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. This one's active. Oh yeah. Damn it. Get that out of you. Oh yeah, it's a little bigger than the last one. Good bass. I told my homie Jackson to get out here. But he was up at damn. Pulled an all-nighter yesterday and went fishing early in the morning before the sun came up. And he caught fish. Needs to get his ass out here on the kayak. Oh yeah. It's a little one, it's a little one. I felt him. Yeah. God dang it. My reel's in the water. She's a decent one. Damn, dickhead. Gonna roll in here nice and slow. Cast, buck. Can I stop fucking moving? Oh shit. It's a small. Got him. I mean, damn, you got it in the root of your mouth, son. Got me one right there. Yo. Fuck, I'm in the tree. I'm gonna continue using the Bass Crusher. I need to get a new bait. Oh damn, I think something just took it. No, he didn't. Oh, he did. Yep. God damn. Yep. Hold up. Going in the tree. Trying not to get hung. There's some good bass. Whew. They ain't catching shit. Y'all had any luck?
Yeah. Second bubblegum colored lure I've seen on somebody's rod today.
Yeah, they've been tearing them up. So I'm gonna need to let some line out. We got that sun peeking now. It's feeling warm, it's getting hot. Talk to those guys back there. Everyone's just catching fish. The water's warm as hell. I said I was done fishing, but I mean this shit, it's out of the sun. It's looking promising as hell. And I didn't even throw this coming up, so I'ma have to fish a little more. Oh shit. Yep. Thought I felt him bite. Yeah. Come here, boy. It's like the same size bass. Bring him up. Bring him up. Damn. Come here, boy. Yeah. Get your cheeks right on the side of the lip so I can get it out. And guess what? I'm gonna release you back where I got you. You're welcome. Pekin Clark Center Park, it's where I put in at.